The Cloquet Public Library has been a valued part of the city of Cloquet since 1895. With its recent expansion, constructed during 2019 and 2020, the citizens of Cloquet now have a gem in the heart of town. The one-story building blends in with the older 14th Street neighborhood, adding a clean, modern touch to a busy street. The addition provides much-needed space for not only reading and viewing materials, but also for staff and its many and varied patrons. The design reflects our Minnesota Northland theme with its dramatic beamed ceiling, abundant light, and gleaming wooden shelves. The decor, with its calming colors and nature-themed touches, adds to the woodsy ambiance. The stacks wing out like spokes from the center of the main area, creating a pleasing view from the library's entrance. At the same time, it enables staff to see where readers stop to browse. In addition to books and magazines, the library boasts relaxing lounging areas with comfortable seating for those who want to read while in the building. In addition, large screen computer stations are scattered about the library, as well as in the private study rooms. The newly expanded children's area is an inviting, colorful, and fun space for youngsters to hang out, play games, listen to stories, and of course, read. The summer reading program always attracts many community children to the engaging activities offered. The teens and young adults, too, have a space of their own that is visible to staff but not audible to others in the library. It is a safe, popular, after-school hangout with its computers, study tables, and lounging areas. The hallway that connects the main area of the library to community rooms is lined with display cases that can show artwork and various contemporary and historical collections. In addition, there are 2 handicapped accessible restrooms and drinking fountains. A high-tech, medium-sized conference room at the end of that hallway is an inviting space with lots of light. It is equipped for meetings, art displays, and more. The facility also boasts a fully equipped kitchen that is ready for cooking demonstrations and teaching, or catered food service for various community events. The addition also has a spacious meeting hall which can be divided and is large enough for receptions, meetings, and other large gatherings. The citizens of Cloquet and the surrounding area are blessed to have this jewel of a public library, made possible by the support of the City of Cloquet, the Minnesota Department of Education, the Cloquet Shaw Memorial Library Foundation, and generous donations from business sponsors, organizations, and individuals. A newly expanded Cloquet Public Library. Start here, go everywhere.